Congo.
Yeah.
Morning, everybody. I'm Sarah Marshall from the MP's office, MP Mark Golden, and I really got in touch with Kino through one of my constituents. She brought it to my attention that Kino and his group has a good program that has been helping persons in and around the inner city.
Me don't know what them a pre about. A Kino can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry.
Fresh from New York.
Yeah, man, you see it, because you don't know some date, you know.
Yeah.
One in the morning, I drink some tea, you know.
Cheers.
Yeah, man, I say I put on my car and my glass and go all the vibes, you know.
Yeah.
Shirt up on top, they sit and I'm just fling on my Good Life shirt.
Oh.
Yeah, man.
New York, New
yeah,
York.
Man, yeah, man. City of New York, just coming up.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Just coming up. I saw a drip off fight, you know.
So I was saying apple pie.
Yeah, man. Apple pie. Yeah, man. Apple pie send it, man. Yeah, man. I saw a drip off fight, you see it?
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
See it there.
You see it? Yeah, man, people, man. I eat, man, you know.
The real life, the man there.
You see me? Yeah, man. Yeah, man. You see it, man? Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Big up the people them in and the support of them and the door of them.
People, them, everybody in Europe, England, America, everybody, Canada, big up in the area.
Yeah.
All of the long time I say, but you don't respect them still, you see?
Cheers.
Yeah, man. Everybody in here, you see me? Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Man, faith, everybody, you know, respect them phone, you know.
Yeah,
man.
cheers.
You see?
Every time.
Yeah, man.
Girl, lad, hold on there. Yeah.
Respect everybody. Now left note and load, you know?
Yeah.
Now contact and talk still, but you don't know now what you feel that way, respect, you see me?
Yeah. Reach out.
Reach out to everybody, you know? Big up. Yeah, man.
Sure.
So the Instagram program, yeah?
Yeah.
Alright, man. You see me? Yeah, man.
Yeah, but come here, Kino. We can put bill up somewhere for her.
Cause I was thinking, can I see the bill there? I'm not reach out now because I'm going to look for something for come back. Cause I was thinking if we could have do something at the yard here, so.
Yeah, but them now have to tear down this first.
Yeah. So for the time being, the call, because she does say if we tear down this, we need somewhere to put her.
Yeah, for fine. What can a phone come from? Are you alone? Did I live here?
Alone, you come here.
No man, round at the side there, so. How many for the whole thing them are going to tear down?
I don't only hear from you only want to hear something tear down.
Because basically, I think the whole lot have to tear down because the condition. Yeah. And the other side as well, too, as what you say. Well, it will affect them. So we have to speak to them as well because you can't tear down one side, don't it?
Because one side, the other side, now got to
Drop it back here.
You take a drop down.
This building a whole, old building, you know.
Alright, so where you propose?
Because you have to do the best,
No, man,
the best solution.
Tear down, but we propose to put a new structure.
Where you could have put it back right here, sir?
Good question, but let me talk to yourself, Xavier will answer me.
Because if
Find
it,
out when them would them a country. Morning, everybody. I'm Sarah Marshall from the MP's office, MP Mark Golden, and I really got in touch with Kino through one of my constituents. She brought it to my attention that Kino and his group has a good program that has been helping persons in and around the inner city in specific Federal Gardens. We are presently on 1st Street.
yeah.
near to the Bob Marley culture yard.
Yeah.
And so we were drawn to it as well, and as much as we are aware of this problem, we think it is important that we work with Kino and his team to better able to, especially an elderly who is who will be affected because the house is in a deplorable condition. It's one of those I think they call it 12 shilling. 12 shilling government house built way back before I was born.
Yeah.
So over time the houses have been deteriorated, and you know, because of persons' wages, persons' economic conditions, they cannot afford to either repair or build something, a new structure. And so Kino has come in, and we feel it is important that we partner with him to ensure that we can better people's lives. Miss Joyce here can have a better living condition, and we are committed to it. The Member of Parliament, Mark Golden, will be committed to it, and whatever you can do as corporate Jamaican outside persons, we welcome your contribution, and we look forward to just partnering with you so we can better serve our Jamaican people, especially in the inner city.
Yeah.
All right, thank you.
Thank you. And this is Miss.
So that's what we want to help.
Yeah.
I want Xavier call me back because I want to find out from him now. When the guy at the radio station.
Yeah, so she always watch the program.
Yeah, she bring my attention to
Yeah.
So you're from this area?
Seaview, yeah, I was born and grew here, but I live in Seaview right now.
And he has come back and doing all of this, you understand?
Yeah.
Obviously, I see if you go somewhere else. And when I'm saying, Sarah, they are saying that the building has historical value. So may I say,
some of the buildings
some of them,
historical,
not all of them.
Because on 3rd, Lower 2nd Street, there's a building like this that Bonnie Wheeler and Bob Mother used to live.
Yeah.
I think Bob used to live there.
Yeah.
So I know the tourism side of
culture tour
wants to restore that building and make it big, because you know tourists come through the place and so. But we're going to find people. Some of you were in there.
When people, because you can't.
We have identified some lands on Upper 4th Street that is near the TrenchTown Primary School.
Yeah.
We took the ministry people there about 2 weeks ago to move those persons, and it would go the same for houses like this.
But let me ask you something, Sarah, because what I saw Kino has done is like I saw what the thing that got me drawn was this guy named Jinjin, right? The condition was so dilapidated. Wood, and you wrapped it up, probably I'll come up in him, and I saw him do that, and he's doing that for another person. So I'm thinking that would it go against to like space there so, because she don't need more than one little one bedroom with
These lands are owned by KCC.
Yeah.
So we would have to get the information from KCC to see where we go from here.
Yeah.
Can't remember them put the notice in, so them are going to tear it down.
Yeah.
Xavier said they don't help with funding to build back anywhere, so I guess this is where we would have to go.
Yeah, and why I asked us, Kino has his program running, right? Where he's soliciting and getting donations coming in from his private sources, whatever. So that's how he was. Why you can't run
this sound like not for the little lady alone, but for others.
He's done that for the ones that he probably see that in dire need. You understand? Which how far is
it's on 3rd Street.
3rd Street. I would want to see, because he has a crew behind him that work.
So this is the crew,
Yeah, that's the crew. Where I'm thinking that maybe it's a matter of trying to get some material, because I don't know how the salary part will go, because I don't know on what basis they work and give their time. But like for the material, you know, to give the material, maybe that would be a big start. Because she don't want more than one bedroom, like a kitchen and bathroom. You know?
And when you build these places, you build them from block and steel.
What the one that I saw you did for Jinjin, like part of it was like block and steel, and then I was so surprised. The front part, was like board for the windows. Was yeah. So the whole floor thing wasn't black and silver. The front part and nice windows in and so maybe we could take her up there.
Yeah.
And I'm sure.
I'm sure the idea. Yeah.
So she get an
something like
idea.
that for
Yeah.
And he's doing another.
How do you one right now? What do you mean?
What's the name?
Jazz.
Mars.
Flies?
Mars.
Smaris.
Yeah. So
So you did
Kotikan.
one presently now?
Yeah, on 2nd Street.
and he has one
For a
that-
guy named Prince with a mental
yeah.
problem. He was living inside one shop,
Yeah.
like right at the front. So his condition was really poor. So what happened now? The people they watch a program and them see him condition and them kind of sending support for us to put in the work. So that's how we kind of get the funding now for try to make sure say them can assure of food and funds of it just like that.
Because
So
he
the support we
does,
get through the program.
Right, because it does like when the money food distribution like in the shop. But what I'm seeing, how I see it, is like whatever donation, and I think his program is well monitored.
Yeah.
Why I say that because I see where when he gets the donation, like I see.
It's transparent.
Yeah, it's transparent. That's what I should use. Where I see like liquor, we see like she go to the shopping and all of that, and you can see that. And then now when he's doing it now, he has it on tape. Where if I give a donation, I could
something
see
like anti-damage.
Yeah.
You could see the people getting the money and whatever, even though he's gonna monitor how the funds are spent. Yeah, which is good. Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, that's Kotikan. That's his shop.
Oh, okay.
So film shop them.
So when them plan to tear down this now, cut it.
Oh, that's the shop
Never
right
affect
here.
your thing. So
That's why you said that. She frustrated.
It's just, she just frustrated. Yeah.
Frustrated because
Because she got no light in there and nothing at all. If you want to go in there and have a look on the condition and everything, and they can see. She's just frustrated because she alone
yes.
and put in there.
And loneliness is an elevator, you know.
Yeah.
It can play upon your mind, you know.
Yeah.
you have any illness, mommy?
Like,
Diabetes, them kind of thing.
diabetes.
no, nothing like
No,
that.
she lucky. You're so lucky. Okay. So she just need like a little thing with a little bathroom in the kitchen.
Yeah.
Oh, see right in here. Okay.
Yeah, see?
Condition is serious. I tell you, say, me have land can build place here.
Where is it?
Right in the same, yeah, but at another location.
Okay.
Big area, vast area, can build up to a 5-bedroom house.
She just need a one with a bathroom and a kitchen.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
That's not, no, but you're just saying that the
Yeah,
amount
but
of
just
space
give
you
you
have.
the idea
Same
what.
road here?
Yeah, man, in the same location here, but at a different spot.
So whose land is that?
It's naturally TrenchTown, the land of TrenchTown response by TTD. Them lease it for 100
No,
million.
no, that is not so. TTD is responsible for
Part, or from here, so from 1st Street to 7th Street, it's responsible by
I think
TTD.
it's no. I think KCC owns most of the land.
Cases.
KCC, Kingston,
Part.
Kingston.
That dream team, you know? The team, you know?
I know all the people still, as I said, you can put up our things them and something. So I want our furniture and even though them are fair things and so you can't say, you know.
Yeah. Anyway, you see, yeah, sure, how we
But what are you saying?
Them tree they would have to come down.
yeah, man.
Them that lease.
Space there, son, space here, son.
So how far fence this?
With our grandson.
Grandson, she said.
Let's clear the whole of here, so man, go back. A big space can build.
So this is a bathroom door I'm looking at?
Yeah, you know, try we are
And then we that try build box on.
Get the thing in the official.
Sis.
Who live in here, sir?
Who the
Cool, man.
So what the cool man, family?
No, man, I just said,
So back on that side also?
yeah, man. So we have land space here, she told.
Safe here, sir?
Yeah, man, safe, man.
We just have to bright up and get our walk.
Yeah. I don't want to be good space, good space.
I want the building drop down.
We are lady, loser, nearly loser, her bone, shoe boat, her head mash up. She not really there, you know, she gone to America. She walk away because of
Yes,
same
the injury,
building
yeah.
drop on her head. So,
We are going by a ginger. I'm sure the place or something. Yeah. Definitely. But the space right there, so it will work.
building a drop down foundation.
Yeah, move that.
Only for clean up a program.
Ginger. Good life. So we're there with Sarah. MP Parliament there now for the people that they need. So we have Sarah from the come to give you a little strength. Find some of the infrastructure with the people that they need. So I give her a look in for Ginger place. Right, I know. Changing.
Yeah, kids on. Rachel's.
Welcome.
So this is the one that we're done already.
Hello. Sorry to intrude.
That's Ginger.
Can come in. So Ginger now, yellow girl kind of thing. This is right?
Yeah, the front. Concrete.
Yeah, this. Yeah, we what's the whole thing? When they meet drywall.
Yeah, the concrete.
Because he is a double amputee now.
Yeah.
Right.
And it was living like literally behind. We're gonna show you what we did before, like behind this wall. So on this side where they build a little bathroom in there.
Okay.
Yeah.
I like this.
Yeah, and Sarah, it's a big space, you know. That's what I meant say. She don't need no more. This is a little bit like a kitchen space, because she can move around, cook her food, and have a bathroom.
Like a kitchen space.
Kitchen and bathroom. Yeah. Very good. Very good. Ginger said?
We can work on something like this.
Yeah. So the people them know where they donate.
Yeah.
They donate towards them cars and buy materials and cooking and in bed and everything.
Only thing you need now, Ginger, is like a fridge. And a TV.
And look at
No, but that's to say, because it's so comfortable now compared to the conditions that you were in before. Once you know, best of yourself.
Yeah.
And your team.
And the team.
Because without the team, teamwork, that's what they say, teamwork makes the dream work.
Yes, man.
Yeah, teamwork makes the dream work.
Let me show you where I was living before.
Alright, Kino.
Let me show you where I was living before.
Bless up yourself.
This, basically,
My name is Marie.
this was where the bed was before. And bed was here. And we used to speak to him right through here. With a little, with a step, where you step down. Yeah, so this was his condition before. It was proper.
I used to ginger live.
Yeah, I like a spot there.
Oh, we can build something like this.
Yeah,
We can build something like this. So we can help you with some of the materials. Called our housing program. We can help you with like the block, the ply. We can help you make Mr. Go and get some zinc from Tankwell.
Yeah.
And we can help with it.
Because I'm not going to spring tell Sarah like well remember that we're gonna make a point invoice and say how much.
Yeah, we can work.
How much with the material.
Make the him do it and do a little something bigger than this.
Yeah.
Oh, for the lady. Yeah. So where me that do him, I do the measurement and tell you the size where me that we could have go on there and all the materials there we would need and everything. No, the builder we know, man.
Yeah. Just to have an idea how much material is
Yeah. You would have known, man. I have to clear up, man. I'm having measurement.
I say me Friday day, Sarah, when me see the screen, so me I watch it here, I said, then I'm going to do that now. And I see when he put it up and I said, what? Because I didn't even know that was possible.
All of this.
Yeah, everything.
So you guys are but you know what, tell me what TV. Yeah, I've done that.
Yeah, man. Love the team one.
Okay.
Yeah, man.
And say him with the children when he make I am the chef.
Yeah, so I'm at
Remember, send time the primary.
Yeah, chef. So you have to cook for Sarah one of these days. They might cook my bread not started.
Because the general them they have a match of put in my bed. But the menu today, you can't get chicken back.
Chicken back.
everybody said chicken back.
I'm like chicken back.
I'm special at you know. I'll think my people know that you know.
Oh, yeah. A recipe for the tin mackerel. We train over boys now. So the tin mackerel, you can yeah, I'm a chef.
Yeah, man, fried, man.
Yeah, I'm fried like yeah. I make a sauce on the side. Yeah, bad. Some white rice.
Yes.
Whoa. I hear is that be like
This place can build things, you know, but help, you know?
Because maybe Sarah, maybe you can find a more space, like because the runners need a whole
Marley. Yeah, right.
Oh, yes, sir.
yeah, that's where Bob Marley used to.
They don't want to tear it down.
Yeah. They want to keep that.
Maybe you can find a more space where, rather than because this have a whole heap of work. Maybe you can find a space. Yeah, because like you know, tell about money to do. Yeah. That's why I say the find a spot when it's space now.
Man, I tell you, man, watch it. Look on the street, there, sir. Yeah, man, if I set back clean up and cement out back the street, man. Look what I'm going to build a key now.
I know, sir.
Yeah, man. So yes, sir.
Yeah, because you know. Nobody will highlight it, And this is like, this is cases, don't it, Sarah? No, Kino, I was saying, you see, that you in the inside out through the land round, so maybe shoot with a lady, we find somewhere, maybe I look at land when the whole heap of digging out and stone and them, something like some of flat already, like how one of the had do for Kino, for Jing and Prince. But she want
Yeah, that's the thing.
Yeah, that's Sarah.
Anybody can grant her.
So,
She come across to the people.
so this is where the guy is living now at the minute.
In the shop.
Yeah, and he's got a mental problem where him shake and good thing. So the people them kind of contribute towards his needs and make him go doctor.
I'm coming to you.
Make him go doctor. So him have a better condition now than before. So this is where the work I go on now.
Okay.
3 days. Prince!
Yeah.
See, he's inside already.
Prince mind comfortable.
Prince!
Stop, shake.
Yeah.
I'm just how we
Oh,
are.
Prince, hi Prince.
Yeah.
Come up here.
Living.
Yeah. So it's a 3 days work now.
It's small though.
Yeah.
They say no one is bigger than this.
Got you the space in the yard.
Him not getting a bathroom.
Yeah, so we have to try to work out towards that more contribution to get a bathroom. Because the bill is same, could I get a bathroom right here, so?
You look at him with a shower and a toilet.
Yeah, right there, so could I get it?
Okay.
I don't this first in post.
Yeah.
So this is like my 3 days work so far. So and everything is from the people that are donate from overseas and in Jamaica towards in cars. Because you see where I live now.
Some people like him now can't help himself.
No. So you'd have to take we, you know, as a team,
Yeah.
or reach out now and do all of these things.
Yeah.
So everything is
You
funding.
see the people are just selfish. Just pure selfishness. We want the thing, you know. Because nobody now look out for nobody.
You think Kino come to
Until
the
he
program?
came.
Nobody now look out for nobody.
Until Kino come.
You understand? Come here several times, I never know some man living this. I think it was a shot.
Oh.
Even when the house, they might build over this, so the 4 houses. And we'd have to push down the land and take them out.
Yeah.
You know?
And nobody said anything.
No.
Possibly if you don't even know him, they'll get a house from there.
Yeah, because you see, it take a little time to get the food for the poor houses, you know. Because of the land issue, you know, KCC own the land and the whole for river. It will happen. It will happen. But if them just...
But at least Kino come and start.
Right, at least, yeah.
If highlight it.
Right, you understand? And wherever we can chip in, we just chip in. You understand? Because people like him can't fend for himself. You understand? The little lady can't fend for herself. No.
Jin.
Yeah, you understand what
Can't
I'm
think
saying?
himself.
So them definitely have to get aid.
Yeah.
So people like them, the most your target.
Yeah. So the people them in need, you know?
Yeah, man.
A
Yeah.
friend in need.
So we print the cans like this.
Yeah. Like they need it, because some of them are the greedy.
Yeah. At all times.
So they need it. Even we will operate from a political point of view.
Yeah.
Like for back to school, sometimes it seems that people them come for 5 years, you send them to to school. And you have somebody that's never got
Come,
here.
they don't even know about it because them not highlight them.
You understand what I'm saying? And sometimes you will say to them, like for me, what me do, if me know somebody help with some building material, and you come to the line, say you come for back to school, I tell you straight, come out to the line. And you
get a
can't
start
get nothing more again. Because it's one part, It's soup, it have been dumpling, it have been cocoa, it have been breadfruit, it have been yam. You can't get the dumpling, for something, you can't get either dumpling alone. Yeah, you understand? But some people want everything. And me hate selfishness. Yeah, you have to deal with equality. Yes, enough of them talk about socialism, them don't know what socialism is. Exactly. But socialism is sharing.
Exactly. And all
if you have one banana, you cut up and give. I tell them, I say, if me have $20, it not get 2 people. It not giving you 4 people. I try to stretch it, forgive as many people as I can. And I'm not using $20 as I would. Yeah. You understand? Yeah. But I just lack of love.
Yeah.
Yeah. And for me, my always respect 2 commandments out of the 10 commandments. Love the Lord with all your heart and love your neighbor as you say. And treat the neighbors. If you love your neighbor, if me love you as much as me love myself, me never try and kill you. Me never try to steal from you. Me never commit adultery. And so all the other commandments will fall in place if you pull those 2 commandments out of the 10. But small way, we just... You know,
and another thing to Sarah, you treat your neighbors how you would want to be
treated. And that's why I say to people, you treat me with respect, you get back my respect.
Yes, you get it back.
Yeah, you have to get it back. You understand? And so that is all we have to, and apart from you just your organization and your program just doing it, we can find other like a social programs to do, like take the children them and teach them a better way. I see like the babies, they look up babies them, we have to pull them from early.
Yes.
So them
change from where them can go
and start. You know them
mindset from early, change them from early younger one.
Like them say train up a tree the way.
So it's not only building the building, but we have to do some intervention. I'm willing to work with you, Kino. I do community work from me left high school. I'm originally from Jamaica, really.
Okay.
You understand? So I born there, I grew there, I go to TrenchTown school. In the 70s, the war get wicked. You see, at 76 when we left Jamaica to come to TrenchTown school, I hear gunshot were coming in. And so my father decided to say, now that I send me to TrenchTown school, so I go down Robin. And then I went to Woolman's.
Oh, you know Woolman's?
Yeah, I'm a Woolman. My sister.
Yeah, I get married.
So we go there until, you know, we got a house in Portmore. I always come back from the community. I always love the politics. And politics is just an avenue for you to help.
And a lot of people
have a different avenue. Politics, but
a lot of people them politicize the word politics so much, so people think it's just a dirty word.
And politics is people, and once you can help
church
people,
politics
you're good.
Politics they're everywhere. Talking about that here before I forget, as I must go say, me I beg you 2 ball. Come and see some little youth.
I send 2 ball.
No, not for upset, down here.
Okay.
We see some little youth a kick ball. I remember school now, so I ask if you can get 2 ball and send it
put on a local league for them.
That's a part.
Right. Put on a local league for them.
I will be able to do a little bit more with your Kino once, because I'm running for the council for this year. The next local government election. So we can
work together. Yeah, man.
I don't have a problem. We can work together.
Yeah, definitely.
So make Kino get 2 balls, Sarah. She's a little youth I can.
Alright,
we can hand it to them. And they would definitely love that.
And drop off for the children.
Drop off my children.
Yeah, man. Them drop off, man. Yes, sir, I'm willing. And I will appreciate.
Yeah, man, Kino, somebody we can work with, man. Because what I like about him, Sarah, the transparency. With, you know, we don't deal with the finances. I like that. In the video, them a show and all of that. So I like that part of it. Because you don't know, you know, people are saying them hard earn money. As a matter of fact, I want to tell you, say, his program is even so much better than even one of them registered charities. Because you walk now, you know the first thing when I do for a registered charity, them get one chairman at the top. And him gonna get one salary. And that's how them charities they work. So the chairman gonna get one salary, and the secretary, and the this and the that. Then the people them who really forget the benefits, them end up not getting it. Because the thing is top heavy. They don't spend up there. So actually my chairman them have to come around and drive and impress them.
I'm waiting to get things done.
You understand me? So his thing, you know, is transparent, having team around him and all of that. I love that about it.
So everything on there, so
I see that.
so that's how we have to do it. So seeing from the donation, that's how we fund the workers them and the
That is
food.
good that
And
somebody
same
can
thing.
build trust in you, can't everybody can trust people.
No.
And the thing about it too, another thing to Sarah, it's good when you have community people that are trying to help themselves. I remember government can't do everything.
Yeah.
Government don't have the money for themselves, you know.
So it's
And
just
have
this
to
area you
do our
concentrate in?
payment.
Because this is where we start.
Our CM.
Yeah, so Jinjin was the first and
No, I mean like let us say somebody in over by Rostown is here, you know. We control Rostown.
yeah,
Over by Whitfield Town.
Whitfield Town.
Let us say them you see a need over there.
Yeah.
It's over there too.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because what we need is the transportation. Because through me have to use taxi and then make a thing there as well too. So we don't really have a transportation for ourselves.
Okay.
So even if we have a vehicle now, to have the best for now, so we have the team of vehicles so we can move around. I got a lot of phone calls, you know.
15-seater.
Yeah. Because I got a lot of phone calls from people from country and all about who really need help, Harborview, Portmore.
Yeah.
Yeah, so
Transportation and BT.
yeah. So I have to just take my time at the minute.
Yeah.
What
How
I can
long
really
is
do.
that, this?
Oh, about 2 months now.
Yeah.
Yeah. About 2 months now.
I accomplished so much.
2 months.
Team there, America.
That was the support from the team.
Project.
Yeah, Miss Juanita.
So that's
It's
why
good to meet you guys.
Nice to
I'll
meet
keep
you.
in touch with Kino, definitely. And Marie is on the team.
Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah, Marie, very,
Yeah, me like Mary.
Community
Yeah, me like how she reach out, you know.
yeah.
It's here we live, you know. How much I go?